People are home with their pets more often, and I think now, especially with the shedding, they're more cognizant of what's going on and that it's an actual issue. And Dynamite has helped tremendously in our house with that.
I just heard the Dynamite commercial so many times that I said, you know what, I'll give it a shot.
You know your closet well, but what does it sound like? Does it whisper your taste? Does it scream your taste? The new Stitch Fix Freestyle, your personalized store, gets to know your unique style and fit. Its selection transforms to show you only the looks and trends you love. With a store that evolves alongside your taste, your closet will scream, so you, without actually screaming. Introducing Stitch Fix Freestyle for women and men, your personalized store. We're so you.
You may be into punk rock, soft rock, or classic rock, R&B, hip-hop, or house, country, techno, or techno-country. COVID-19 vaccine mRNA. This message brought to you by BioNTech and Pfizer.
Sometimes a change of seasons calls for a change of scenery.
96.7